getting ready to show you all the snow, and the cat runs out. It's like, get in here. What are you doing? Get in the house. What are you doing? Get in here. Get your Chibuti in the house, sir. Oh. Get in the house. Oh my God, now I gotta go get the cat. So I honestly just wanted to show you there's no blizzard, like anything is ever gonna tell the truth. It's just snowing. Duh. You know why they do that shit? They try to get people to panic. Now it's an Arcadia with snow on it. Yes, I know, thank you. But I have to get the cat in the house. Anyway, it's not a fucking blizzard. My son is taking the dog out in the snow. This is her first time being in the snow, and I find it to be hilarious. Look at her. Remember, your pets do get that pure oxygen. Oh, hi, hello, Copper. Like Grandma's at the door. Steve said that she was out there licking the snow earlier. Oh, check this out. Puppin. Like I said, she's never seen snow before. There she goes licking the snow. That's hilarious. Puppy's first winter with snow. So anyway, yes, just still snowing. Bobbin. It's always funny when it's a dog's first snow that they see, the first snow, and they act all silly. Oh, look at that. She's eating it. She's looking and eating snow. You tittin', you're missing the puppins eating snow. He snuck out earlier, as you saw. And he would sneak out there with the dog. She's eating that out of his hand. Is that just a plain snow cone, ma'am? I think it is. It's hilarious what animals do. It's funny. So, yeah. Bobbin. Miss Ma'am. Where are you going? Grandma gonna get you? Grandma gonna get you on video. Not gonna close that all the way. Oh my gosh, she had that on her outdoor bed. That's hilarious. Well, oh yeah, and the tray from her crate. Cleaning that. Guess the crate tray will be able to be cleaned. Oh, watch. Oh. Like I said, pets are hilarious. Remember, pets like Copper, well, family, that are rescues can be a little difficult to work with at first, but look how happy she is. Out there being silly in the yard. But like I said, rescues, always make sure you treat them with kindness, because they don't understand what kindness is. And once they do learn that, they learn that they're actually a family. They're part of a family. Yes, right? Right? Because you're part of a family. Huh. Really? Miss Mia? Huh. We also sometimes call her Skinwalker. Don't we miss Skinwalker? Anyway, did you have fun?